Hey guys, so here we go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up arbitrage or drop shipping. Arbitrage is when you take advantage of the price difference that you can buy at and the profit you make by reselling at a higher price. With arbitrage, you typically have to place the order at another website and make the shipping arrangements. A drop shipper is more like a partner. Basically, your customers place orders on your sales page. The order is automatically sent to the dropshipper that ships it to the customer under your brand name. Working through arbitrage and dropshippers enables you to offer customers a wide range of products. Amazon and eBay are two good places to find inexpensive products that you can resell using the arbitrage process that I'm going to show you right now. So I'm heading to eBay right now. So like I said, this is a wonderful place to check for inexpensive products. You could even search in watch count, but yeah, so the best way to use arbitrage is to market products on your e-commerce store for a price that allows a profit above what you can purchase it from Amazon or eBay. When a customer makes a purchase from you, you buy the product from your source, but enter your customer's shipping destination. That's a goal. The end result is you make a profit without investing any of your own money or holding inventory. I can tell you guys how much money I personally made with this system. It may be really time consuming, but once it's set up, it's just, skies is the limit. So I particularly like the arbitrage model for very low cost products and even high cost products. It works well for low cost products, of course, because most people don't tend to overshop for these products. For products costing $10 or less, people just go and make the purchase when they find what they're looking for. It's that simple. When you can find these products for $5 or less, it gives you a decent profit margin. One technique that I have successfully used is offering low-cost products for free, but charging a high handling and shipping fee. Here's how it works. I'm going to show you an example that I'm using for eBay arbitrage setup. I have a campaign going on, let's say I have a campaign going on where I'm offering low price necklaces and jewelry from eBay, okay? Things that you can find there for under $5, and I'm listing them on my site as free, but I'm charging the customer $9.95 for the shipping cost. So we're actually still making some profits per sale here, but it's giving us that extra hook angle to sell some goods and get leads in at the same time that we can start selling to the back end, selling our products and get them to buy more and more products in the same niche. So let's say, for example, there are many offers that I set up, but I have like hundreds and hundreds of offers, where you just do this process. So remember, you can buy for less than $5 and charge $9.95 for shipping. You can entice buyers by offering it for free. However, make sure you know the laws in your country, because some countries, don't allow shipping fees separate from the sales price. In some countries, the shipping fees must be built into the sales price. I'm going to show you an example that out of the many hundreds that I have offered for high cost products, it's about the inventory and holding costs. Arbitrage enables you to offer customers more expensive products without you having the holding costs. One good strategy here is taking a smaller profit on the expensive product while making a higher profit by cross-selling other related products that are less expensive but have a higher profit margin. I'm going to show you how quickly you can arbitrage products and send the buyer the items. So one of my customers, Nicole, if I'm not wrong, about the offer that I'm going to show you from us, which were crystal zircon earrings. Okay, I was selling in my store these earrings. So all I had to do was, since the order is already placed in my Shopify store, because you would see the name and address of your customers in your Shopify store, you have to do that, is going to our eBay listing, where as you can see below, it's only cost. So what I'm going to show you now is the eBay listing. If I'm not wrong, it was, if I remember well, was new women's gold. It should be this one. Here we go. Boom, found it. I was looking for another price, but anyway, yeah, it's this one right here. It was costing like 138. Now it's 113, so it's less expensive. But anyway, this is the product that I bought. As you can see, it's shipping free. It's sold over 30,300. So and it's very, very cheap. I mean, like you can easily sell it for $5 minimum. So yeah, this is so like I said, like the order is already placed, so the cost, it's only 113. Okay, it was 138, so we'll keep that in mind. Anyway, it's free shipping, so you know, you just go ahead and purchase this product and just send it to your buyer. Just click the buy now button right here, the buy now button, and in the checkout page you will just insert the details of your customer, so you will ship him her the product. So the only thing that you will need to do is to change the address button in the eBay checkout page. Okay, if you buy this, okay, I have to log into my account, but anyways, you just have to change the address. Remember to change the address in your eBay checkout page to where your customer lives, in my case Nicole. So you simply follow the very easy process and then click on ship to this address. It's already done on eBay. I can show you right now because I have to log in, but anyways, it's very simple. Remember what I told you here, simple and easy. For a moment of my time, I make like 4 times what the product cost me. Okay, so you just go ahead and pay the item through PayPal. Simple as that. So to recap, like if you made, that is the cost, and like you made like $9.95. Let's say like the cost is $2.90, for example, and we made $9.95 on the sale. With this great free shipping technique, you're spending just $1-2 per transaction or ad cost. You know, so you're basically getting good leads coming in at the same time, profits per sale, and you can see. You can really rock in it with this. I mean, like I said, remember, it's about quantity. It's a numbers game. This strategy is about a numbers game, because I remember I told you I have hundreds of these offers set up. So it's gonna take you like some time, but once it's set up, you are going to be blown away by the number of orders you will see, the notifications of orders. It's insane. For transparency, I have to tell you that there were an additional costs involved for me. I was paying like about $1 click-through fee to advertise this product. But anyway, however, the end result is I obtain exposure to my Shopify stores that brings in more leads that frequently lead to more sales in the future. So it's a consequence, you know. In reality, this method really works. So one thing you do want to do is go back to the eBay site to review the summary, okay, and make sure the product did ship. Arbitrage is a great technique when you're getting started with online marketing with a very limited budget. And once you get started, you'll almost certainly keep using it even as your business begins growing and you can afford to hold your own inventory. The profit margins are too high to abandon until the time element becomes more valuable, pursuing even more profitable online marketing techniques. Okay, so no excuses. This technique, arbitrage, is a very simple technique that can bring you some really big profit if you execute it correctly. So just go out and start doing it today.